mouth, you can purge this one. Water is going.
Okay.
In case of water going, you cannot breathe, no? So this is the
will
one.
pull out the water. Okay.
If you press this one, the water is going out.
Okay.
Then you can continuously breathe. Okay?
Alright.
So this is the first one. So this is the one octopus. Octopus means in case of emergency.
Okay.
Diving we cannot do alone. We need at least one or two. Okay? So example, so if I am finished my tank, oxygen, so you can give this one, take and put the mouth inside and purge. And we can share this one.
Okay.
This is the one we call inflator hose. Inflator. Okay?
Okay.
There is two buttons. Okay? Inflator, deflator.
Okay.
So this time we're going to jump in the water.
Deflate.
Yeah. This time we're going to jump in the water. Before you jump in, you have to inflate your BCD. Okay? You have some extra weights. Okay?
Okay.
Because the pressure is very high, so you need some extra weights to go down. Okay?
Okay.
So with this you are going to jump in. So you inflate this one first before jumping. Okay?
Okay.
Then after jumping,
Slowly.
when I say now we go down. Okay? This one take off your
Okay.
left hand and press the deflator button.
Okay.
Then you go slowly down. Okay?
Okay.
Make sure when you go 1 meter, your ear is paining. That is
Okay.
the pressure. Okay?
Okay.
Then you hold your nose with the rubber, the mask. Okay? And exhale from the nose. Okay? See? Then the air is going out.
Oh, okay.
Then
They
you
like
will
this.
go equalize.
Yeah.
That is we call equalize, right?
Okay. Okay.
So this is the one we call SPG.
SPG.
Okay? SPG means submersible pressure gauge. How much air have inside the tank?
Okay.
You can see 200 bar. Until the 50 bar, we can do the diving.
Okay.
45 minutes, 1 hour. Okay. Good.
Okay.
So inside the water, we cannot speak any language. Okay.
So what are
this
these?
is the okay signal, right?
Okay.
If you are okay, you said okay.
Okay.
If you are not okay, this is not okay, right?
Not okay.
So in this one, this side, going down, going up.
Okay.
So if you have any problem your ear, just mention problem. So I will take you up, right? Please inside the water, don't touch anything, don't take, don't chase. Just watch, take some pictures and come back. Okay?
Okay.
Good?
Good.
Right. So let's go diving. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Here is something. Now watch this. Hold this one and jump. Okay? Hold this and jump. Okay? 1, 2, 3.
essence of our everyday, but don't we all? Sometimes, running around, they tell us to spend our life just selling ourselves to get attention. It's all you get recognized for.
You have to make your body balance. That's the problem. You're going like this, like this. You have to keep like balance. It's easy. First time.
So guys, अभी डाइविंग करके आ चुका हूँ मैं. बहुत ही ज़्यादा ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस रहा मेरा. एंड अंडर वाटर इज़ लाइक डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड. सो बहुत मज़ा आया. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फिशेस देखी, बहुत कलरफुल. एंड बेबी शार्क भी देखी मैंने, टर्टल भी देखा. बहुत मज़ा आया गाइस. Like 45 minutes I was underwater and back from where we started. So guys, now I'm back in Kurumba और अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ बीच की तरफ, क्योंकि अभी मेरा लंच हो चुका है. एंड अब मैं, अगर सही वाटर लेवल है एंड वेदर सूटेबल है, तो मैं अब जेट स्की करूँगा एंड अदर वाटर एक्टिविटीज़. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है गाइस. जब भी आप मालदीव्स आएँ तो कयाकिंग को मत भूलिएगा. जितनी सिंपल दिखती है उतनी ही मज़ेदार भी है. ओके. तो गाइस, अभी मैं कयाकिंग कर रहा हूँ एंड पैडल अप बोर्ड में ट्राई कर चुका हूँ, जो कि काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट है. मैं उस पर बैलेंस बनाना सीख गया हूँ, बट यहाँ पत्थर है एंड मैं गिर जाता हूँ तो उससे चोट लग सकती है. इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा पैडल अप बोर्ड नहीं कर रहा. सो आई केम बैक टू कयाकिंग. तो जेट स्की भी आज नहीं हो पाएगी क्योंकि अभी शाम का टाइम हो चुका है एंड वाटर जो लेवल है काफ़ी लो है, जो जेट स्की के लिए एटलीस्ट 0.5 मीटर तो चाहिए होता है वाटर लेवल है। तो चांसेस होते हैं कि जेट स्की हिट कर सकती है रॉक पे, तो इसलिए अभी जेट स्की मैं नहीं कर सकता, तो कल सुबह मैं जेट स्की करूँगा।